Welcome back. I'm Max, and this is Make Money with Max Online. And today we're going to discuss the topic about traffic. Have you ever bought hundreds of leads online and discovered that none of them bought, or maybe one or two purchased? And if you're just selling a product that makes $5, you just spent $200-300 in traffic for only a $10 profit. Earlier we discussed of selling higher commission products, such as a $200 per sale commission, and we'll show you and lead you to every one of those products. Don't worry about that, our course covers that. But the most important thing is being able to convert those sales, that traffic into sales. That's the most important part of it all, because if you're making money, then you can continue to buy leads that are in your niche. They will direct those people directly into your buying process. We teach you how to do an entire process of that the customer travels through. First of all, they see your video, your advertisement, they go to your website, they sign up, and then they go through an entire process that leads them to buying your product. And you can do it for any business. You can send hundreds of leads to your business online, or to your weight loss program online, or to you play guitar online. Whatever you're selling, whatever you want to promote, whatever affiliate marketing program you choose, that's a winner for you, because we'll teach you how to go from 1% to 20%, even to up to 55 to 60% conversion rates, which are amazing. If you're doing 60% conversion, you're doing absolutely amazing. But we'll teach you all those steps so you can increase those sales higher and higher for greater commissions. Click on the button below and you'll be able to find out more about it. That link that you'll go to will actually give you more of the sales promotions that we offer in this program. You get the highest value per capita. Well, click on the button below and we'll see you next time. Take care.